everyone, I'm Shanthi Priya and welcome to my YouTube channel SPL Creation. This is a beautiful day and it's my small effort to take you all in and around Mangalore. The show is named as GardenTrendz. So let's move to this first episode, GardenTrendz. Basically this GardenTrendz is all about variety of flowers, variety of plants, different gardens in and around Mangalore, and all about this nurturing and planting of different variety of plants, its uses and how do we maintain it. So guys, we are heading towards International Airport Road. That's Mangalore's one and only international airport. The house which we are moving to, the garden which we are going to is nearby to this international airport. Alright guys, so here we are at the entrance of Crystal Palace. This palace, the Costa's compound is situated near to the one and only Mangalore's international airport. If you see from the entrance, we can just see right here the international airport, a clear view of this airport. So I've overheard of this palace, this house, they have a beautiful garden. So guys, let's see how beautiful is their garden. Come on, join me. So beautiful orange color. These are called as Crotons flowers, commonly and popularly known as Firecracker flowers. These are growing in bunches. The stem, this is very thorny, but then when you see this beautiful flowers growing in this thorny stem, these flowers in Konkani are called aboli, and in the local Kannada and Tulu language they are called as appalige. In ancient times, no Christian Mangalorean Catholic weddings would be complete without seeing these flowers on every woman's head. Even the bride, we could see these flowers wearing on her head, and even the altars were decorated with these flowers. Even now, we can find these flowers on the bride's head because this is a tradition of a Christian Mangalorean wedding. These flowers were very common in the city before, but right now commonly found in the village area because these require timely watering. So guys, let's have a view on another flower. Flowers, commonly called as glass flowers, you can find them in 3 shades. These are commonly grown over the compound walls. They grow in bush, but the whole bush is covered with flowers, so they look very beautiful. You can find them being decorated in the houses. For example, if you just look here, you just see the whole entrance they have decorated with these beautiful flowers. You too can try this at home. So hope you like this flower. Come on, let's see the next flower here. in between the show, I've got one of the member of this family. So guys, let's have some chit chat with her. Hi.
Hi Shanthi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm doing good. First of all, I really appreciate for this having such a beautiful garden.
Thank you
I'm
so
just
much.
really loving this place and also the garden. Very
Okay.
beautiful. So I just wanted to know how many people are involved here doing gardening, because I think it takes a lot of time to have this beautiful garden,
Yeah,
because
it
when you see
takes-
everywhere you find these flowers, and obviously you spend so much time, I feel. So
Yes.
what do you have to say?
So actually my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they are the main backbone of this garden.
Okay.
Because they are the ones who maintain it.
Okay.
And the garden, actually if you see a beautiful garden, it should be cleaned also.
Exactly.
So basically my mother-in-law does the work. Early in the
Okay.
morning she wakes up and she will be seeing that the garden is clean and neat.
So it starts from early morning.
Yeah, early
Okay.
morning itself. Before all her work that she has to begin with, no, she starts with this.
Okay.
So once this is done, she goes back to her household work. And then what happens is my husband also, because this garden, this grass that is
Yeah.
there here, right? It has to be maintained well. So
Okay.
every 3 months there's a grass cutting, and that is done by my husband itself, Rajesh.
Okay.
So he does that.
Okay.
So after that, my kids also get involved in cleaning up of that whatever
I've
grass
overheard
is
about
removed.
this, and even I've found few pictures somewhere,
Yeah,
seeing the
true.
whole family getting involved into gardening.
Yes, so it's almost the whole family gets into it, and every week, so maybe on Saturday, Sunday, we have time, then we look into this cutting of the flower, the plants and all, no, shortening them and all that.
Yeah.
So every now children are also at home, so
Okay.
they do the watering of plants and all. The kids get involved into it.
It's
So the whole
right,
family is
yeah.
actually involved into
It's a
gardening.
right time, you have given such a good training for the kids from small itself to love
Yeah.
plants, to love greenery.
That's
so
what.
it's really nice. In your garden, to say, I've been around and I've found a variety of flowers. But according to you, how many variety of flowers are there?
There are many variety actually. I
Okay.
can mention around 10 to 12 plants are there.
Okay.
The flower plants I can say. And then basically we have little of vegetables that are grown
Okay,
by
a
just
backyard,
for
okay.
backyard. And these are all easily grown up plants,
Okay.
because you do not have to be behind them, that you need to every time sit behind them.
Yeah, yeah.
These are easily grownable. So
Okay.
that's why we have done this.
It's a good inspiration just to follow them, how they have done. Same thing, I think we can also plant some few plants here and there. So even when these flowers grow, it's really a good gift for us. This is also best exercise in these busy schedule. Also it gives mental peace. Also it helps us to remain healthy and fit. So come guys, let's go to this next plant, next flower. This is a category of Croton. Here you can find duo colors, orange and yellow. So they too are grown in bunches, but then you can see double colors, and they are beautiful to look. These plants do not grow taller, but then these keep spreading very fast over the area. You can find these plants in almost all the nurseries. This is one category of Croton. Then behind here you can see another category of Croton, where you can find the speciality of this plant is the leaves are not green, but then they are pink in color, and then the tiny flowers grow over those plant. I think it's not that visible to you all, but then those are tiny beautiful flowers. This is a wide variety flower garden. You can find variety of flowers here and variety of plants here, but then I won't be able to explain to you all each and every plant. Maybe I will take you all around the whole garden. I will explain to you all one or two flowers next. Do follow me. Friends, have already explained you regarding some of the flowers. Now I've come here to show you this flower, but then from far this looks really like flower. Later on I realized these are not flowers, but this is a category of Croton, and these are the leaves. I just love this. It's a nice experience for me too. I'm finding this for the first time. You just see how beautiful they are.
Easy.
Hope you liked it. If you too grow these plants at home, this really gives a look to your house. friends, see, these are periwinkle flowers. You can find these flowers in variety of colors. If you just look at here, you can see this is pink color, this is pure white color, and then you can see here again the pink color. This is the lighter version of pink. You can find this is again duo. You can see in between here it is white, and then this is pink. So guys, we come to an end of this episode. Hope you all liked having a small tour towards this Crystal Palace, the Costa family, the Costa garden. Hope you got a lot of information about these variety of flowers here. Guys, if you like this garden show, do subscribe to my channel SPL Creations, and then leave in a thumbs up there, and also follow me on Instagram Shanthi Priya _Lasrado. So guys, it's time to wind up the show. Let's meet in the next episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.